guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 20 problem of this month on LeetCode. If you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 1669, that is merged in between linked list. Okay, so this is a medium level problem, but don't worry, actually these diagrams are looking a little bit complex, but this is very easy problem. Okay, so let's understand with one example here. So let me pick this example. Okay, so this is example 1 here. Let me paste it here. Okay, so here two lists are given to us. One is list 1 and one is list 2. Okay, so we have given two values, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. Okay, so I'm starting from here. Let's say this is 0 position, this is 1 position, this is 2 position, this is 3 position, this is 4th position, and this is 5th position. Okay, so what I have to do here, values a is equal to 3 given to me and b is equal to 4 given to me. Okay, so I have to find a node just before this 3. Okay, just before this 3, and I need to connect this particular node with the starting point of my list 2. Okay, and then I have to iterate over my list 2 until I find any empty node. Okay, so here I find one empty node. So in the end of list 2, I have point it to this node. Okay, so this node is nothing but b plus 1. So this node is nothing but b plus 1, right? B plus 1, and this node is nothing but a minus 1, right? So this is what I need to do here, and it is given to us in the constant that the list 1 dot length is always greater than 3, and a and b values are lies in between our list 1 dot length 1 to list 1 dot length minus 1, and list 2 dot length size is given to us. Okay, so this code is going to be very simple, so I hope that you guys are able to understand this. So what I am going to do here, first of all, I am going to create one list node. Okay, list node, merge list, and I am going to assign here in this list node merge list list 1. Okay, so I'm going to start from my list 1 only. Okay, and after that let's do one thing here, make one current pointer. Okay, list node current pointer, and set it to the head of my linked list. Okay, so list 1. Okay, this is done. Okay, now I am going to start from position. I am going to start, let's take the start 0 initially. Okay, because I need to do the counting here. Start is 0, 1, 2. Okay, I need to do the count here. Okay, so initially I am going to take int start is equal to 0. Okay, this is done. After that we have to move the current to the node before index a. Okay, so I have to move this current pointer just before this start. Okay, to add this position. Okay, so for that I am going to run one while loop while my current, okay, is less than a minus 1. Okay, then inside this I am going to update my cur as cur.next, and my start as, here I am checking start, okay, not cur. While my start is less than a minus 1, I am updating my cur as cur.next and start as start plus plus. Okay, start plus plus. Okay, so this is done here. So see, this is the code. Okay, let me copy it here. Okay, so initially my start is equal to 0. Okay, initially my start is equal to 0. Then initially my cur is pointing to which node? List 1. Okay, cur is pointing to this one initially. Okay, cur is pointing to this one, and my start is 0. Okay, so start 0 is less than a is 3, so 0 is less than 2. Yes, it is true. Then my cur becomes cur.next. So now my cur is at this position. Okay, my cur is at this position, and then my start is incremented. Start becomes 1. So next time I am again checking 1 is less than 2. Yes, this is true. If this is true, then I am going to update my cur to at this position. So now my cur reaches at this position. Okay, cur is equal to cur.next. That simply means cur is at this position and start becomes 2. Okay, so 2 is less than equal to 2. No, so we don't need to execute further, right? So here right now my cur is at this particular position. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, this is a node before a, so this is my a point, right? And this is my b point, so this is a node before a, right? That's what we need to find, node before a. Okay, so here can I write it like this, list node node before a is equal to current, right? So this is done. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. Now after that I need to move my cur to the node at index b. Okay, so again I am going to write one while loop, while my start is less than b plus 1. Okay, while my start is less than b plus 1, then inside that I am going to update cur as cur dot next, and my start is going to be incremented by 1, start plus plus. Okay, so here I am moving the cursor to the node at index b. Okay, so here see, let me copy this and paste it here. Okay, so now see, so here see, what is the value of my start right now? Okay, so value of my start is nothing but 2. Okay, so 2 is less than 6. Yes, this is true. Then my cur reaches here. 3 is less than 6. Yes, then my cur reaches here. Okay, oh no, here b plus 1, b value is 4 now, so here it's 5. Okay, so my cur reaches here. Okay, 3 is less than 5, cur reaches here. Then after that I am going to check if 4 is less than 5. Yes, 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Then my cur reaches at this position. Okay, then after that I am going to check my 5 is less than equal to 5. No. Okay, so this is false. So right now my cur is at this position. Okay, cur is at this position right now. Okay, so what I am going to do here, I am going to save it. Okay, so I am going to save it, list node after a is going to be my cur. Okay, node after a is after b, node after b is going to be my cur. Okay, so I have saved the node before a, and I have saved the node after b. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. Now we have to just connect the node before a to the head of list 2. Okay, so now I have to connect this node to the head of my list 2. Okay, so for that I am going to do node before a, node before a dot next is pointing to my list 2. Okay, this is done, and after that I have to find the tail of list 2. Okay, so I have to go until the end, right? So for that, can I write it like this, while list 2 dot next is not equal to null, then in that case until then we have to just update my list 2 as list 2 dot next. Okay, list 2 dot next. So this is done. Now after that I have to connect the tail of the list to the node after B. Okay, so I have to connect this tail to this node after B. Okay, this is nothing but node after B, this is nothing but node after A. Okay, so I have to connect the tail of my list 2 with the node after B. Okay, so for that just write list 2 dot next is equal to node after B, node after B. Okay, this is done. Now in the end we have to just return the head of the merge list. Return merge list. Okay, so now let's run the code and see. So all the test cases has been accepted here. Now let me submit the code. So our solution is accepted and it beats 100% of users with Java, and the runtime is also just 1 milliseconds. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.